Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So excuse my voice right off the bat, I'm a little sick and that's why I haven't really been uploading this week, but I made my first silver purchase on eBay and I purchased this silver 1 ounce round for about the same price as I would have at a local coin shop, that's including shipping. So they actually paid, it was actually free shipping. I think they paid around like $4.13 to actually ship this to me. So all right, let's open it up and see what it looks like. You also get a chance to see how the packaging looks for when you actually buy 1 ounce rounds on eBay. So it looks like they sent it to me in just a tiny bubble mailer here. All right, I'm gonna open this up. Let's see, just a little note right off the bat. Okay, let's see how the coin is actually gonna come out. You're not coin around. Okay, nice. Just gonna set aside that bubble mailer. Okay, here you have the back of the round. And flipping it over. And there you go. We got another one of these. I think they're supposed to be kind of like the Morgan coins. And again, I paid about the price as I would have at a local coin shop. So given the opportunity, why not venture out and try another method of purchasing silver? And let's get this out of this protector here so that we could test this. I mean, just looking at it, it pretty much looks similar to the other Morgan round I already have, so I'm pretty confident that it is real silver. But I have had people mention in like different comment sections like, hey, when you're buying silver on eBay, just be careful, look at the feedback and make sure that the silver is actually real. So I bought this from an eBay page that had a lot of feedback and it looks like they're pretty good at what they do. Although the staple's kind of in the way. Let's see. I have to. Ooh, kind of broke that casing a little bit. That's all right. I guess we'll just throw away this casing because it served its purpose, getting the silver round to me. Okay, looking at the round itself, it looks beautiful. Okay, so this is the 1 ounce round that I bought at my coin shop on the left hand side, and then this is the one that came from somebody on eBay. So yeah, I'm really liking this. United States of America, 1 troy ounce, 0.999 fine silver. And whoa, okay, made a mistake there. Usually, if you're looking at it on one side, you could just flip it like this, and then you'll see the back, you know, in the correct position. But for this one, you have to flip it like this, which I find a little bit interesting. You're not sure what I mean. Like, all right, so I'm looking at the back end. I'm just gonna flip it to the front, and it does it like that. So interesting to see this one here. You have to flip like this. Okay, so we're gonna do the test to see if this is real silver here. Just gonna do the little. Okay, and I'm gonna put it to my mic just so you guys can hear it. Now silver has a very distinct dinging noise when you hit it the right way. You just have to balance it on one of your fingers and then just tap it and it'll make that noise. So that's one way you could test for silver. That's the only way that I currently have to actually test for silver. At some point maybe I'll buy one of those devices that you can actually test in a more legitimate way. But yeah, really happy with this piece that we bought on eBay. Definitely going to be buying more pieces online just because I can't always make it to a coin shop. And I've had a very positive buying experience so far. So let me know what you guys think. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.